Hey guys, too many times people go to the dealership and they don't call ahead and find out what cars do you have that are cash, that I can pay cash. If your price point is, let's just say $3,000 all the way up to $12,000, say, what cars do you have in that range? So what I decided to do is to start doing videos to let you know the cash cars that we have on our lot. Now remember, cash cars are anything under $11,000, under $10,000 means that the cars are going to be as is, which means that we're not going to offer an extended service contract on that vehicle. 98% of the time, 95% of the time, we're not going to offer extended service contract. Means that that vehicle is going to be as is. So the first vehicle that I'm going to talk about is the 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. It has leather seats. It has about 107,000 miles on it, and it's going for $9,900, and that's $9,900 plus tax plus plate. The second vehicle we have is a 2018 Chevy Cruze. Now they don't make the Chevy Cruze anymore, but it's a nice vehicle. This is a car that you get from A to B, C to D, E, F, G, H, I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Anyway, it'll make it from A to Z. This 2018 Chevy Cruze with 150,000 miles is going for $10,500, and it's in great shape. If you want to see these cars I'm talking about in the video, you can go to Regina, the queen of car loans with S.com, and check out my inventory. The next vehicle I have is a 2008 GMC Envoy. You guys know they don't make the Envoys anymore, just like they don't make the Chevy Cruze anymore. But I have a 2008 GMC Envoy with 290,000 miles. Now this vehicle is going for $3,500 plus tax plus plate. Now, an 2008 GMC Envoy, it doesn't have a warranty. We're in 2023. What am I saying? Anyway, 2008 GMC Envoy, as is all day. Can't put a warranty on it. Hopefully that car will last maybe a year, maybe 2 years. What I find a lot of times around tax time, which is around between January and April, a lot of people look for cash cars. And then that cash car may last 1 year, but every year it's a cycle. They are getting their income tax money and they're going to buy that car for $3,500 or $4,000, right? Because most of those cars are not going to last after that year. The fourth vehicle is a 2011 Ford Escape XLT. Well, guess what? Ford is still making Escape, so yes, you can still get the parts, and you can just get a newer Ford Escape with the new body style. The 2011 Ford Escape XLT is a nice vehicle, but it has 203,000 miles, but it's going for $3,500. And again, that is an as-is car. Now, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth car, 2000 Saturn Aura, 150,000 miles, and it's going for $4,900. Again, that is a cash car. Cash car. They don't make the Saturns anymore. They don't make them anymore. That's a cash car. So what I'm going to do is, on my videos, I believe maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, I'm going to give you the cars that we have on our lot that are cash. Cash. I want to say cash and carry. If you go back and you watch some of my videos, you're going to know that just because we have a price online doesn't mean that you can get a better price. Now, don't tell my boss or my finance manager or the dealer, the name that's on the building, that I said that. But just because you got a price online doesn't mean it's not negotiable. That's a quick tip from the Queen. Just because you see it online doesn't mean it's not negotiable. Now, the favorite word out of my mouth is if you say, you know what, I seen this car online, can I get a better price? I'm going to say, yep, that's the best price. Online is the best price because we want to get customers that are out of our range, out of our territory, which means we want those customers from Ohio. We want those customers from Flint. We want those customers from New York. We want those customers out of state to come here and buy a car. So yes, we're going to put a price online that's attractive, but it doesn't mean it's the best price. All right. Hope this video helped. Hope you got a little bit out of this video. The purpose of this video is for tune in once, twice a week. I'm going to give you those top 5 cars, that are available at the dealership that are cash cars for you. You don't have to wait to income tax time to get that cash car. You can get that cash car right now with the Queen, Regina, the queen of car loans.com. See you on the next video.